Hi, in this video we'll understand how to correct item details like name and packing size when a product is added incorrectly into eVitalRx. Sometimes this can happen when the products are added into the system through CSV upload, PDF upload or purchase by picture. In such cases, the distributor may upload short or unclear product names, wrong packing size or incorrect and missing manufacturer details. You need to correct item details when the correct product is not available in the system database or the uploaded product information is wrong or incomplete. So, this correction helps you identify the product correctly, avoid confusion during billing, and you can continue billing without any issues. Once a purchase entry is added, go to inventory and search for only newly added items. For an example, in this item list, you can see BN Polykid 250. The product name is entered in a shortcut form as BN Polykid 250, whereas the actual product name is Born Polykid Plus. So now let's see how to correct this details using the eVitalRx mobile application. Open the eVitalRx mobile application, search for the item that has wrong details. Now swipe left to the item and tap on edit option. Here you can update the details such as item name, manufacturer details if required, and packing size. Once the information is correctly entered, scroll up and click submit. Now that if we see it is correctly added, please note these details are important so that you can easily identify the product during the billing. Also note this option is only for correcting item information when product details are wrong or not properly identified. This is not product mapping. It is only for editing basic details added through CSV, PDF or purchase. So whenever a product is added with incorrect name or packing, you can quickly correct the item details from the mobile app and continue billing smoothly. Thank you.